Alright, here are some of the PVC bits for the shoulder. Here they are together. I'm gonna try to use a little bit of PVC instead of this metal bracket. The armpit linear actuator goes from here to here. And the twisting linear actuator goes right up here. Here's the mechanism in motion. Now let's install it. Now that it's installed, it's time for a test run. Look at it go. So during an off-screen test, some of the PVC broke, so I'm going to be remaking it. I'll out of some metal tubing with brackets on each corner. Making some DIY brackets. It kinda sucks. Wait a second. I can use these. Good old square tubing in my favorite flavor. Aluminum. Yum yum. Just gotta be careful not to let it mix with some rusty iron shavings, otherwise I'll make thermite and go boom. Just bolt it all together. And we got a new aluminum shoulder blade. Doesn't go as high as I'd like it to. Aha! Just add on another little bit to offset the angle. Attaching the arm again. Still not giving me the amount of movement I'd like. It seems it's not moving as much as I'd like because, let me get in closer. The shoulder's mounted far out on the outer bracket, so it's twisting the PVC. So I'm gonna make a metal one, kind of like the shoulder blade, just smaller. And on my trusty drawing tablecloth, I've got the working drawing. Using some more square stock and some metal brackets, hopefully it won't twist as much as the PVC bit. So we're mounting the arms behind the twisting actuator. Here's a twisting actuator right here, which will put less strain on the metal bit and hopefully less twist. We'll just get rid of this PVC bit here. And just save you the effort of another clip of me installing the arm again. There we go, look at that compound movement. That is some good articulation right there.
There we have it, one arm done. Now I just gotta do the other one. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others. If they don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.